Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEPS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Body Shape. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So, my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 7 of half yearly, and today's SW number will be 5. Dear student, our today's topic name exercise 4.2. From 4.2, we shall solve question number 13 and 15 as your CW. From 15, sub number A and G will be solved. And my dear student, question number 14 and 15, from 15, D and E will be your SW. I repeat, question number 14 and 15, from 15, D and E will be your SW. My dear student, so let us start our class. This question number 13 and 15, I have already written this question on the board. So, first of all, question number 13, which is if x plus 1 by x equal to 4, prove that x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 52. My dear student, please notice this is plus. So, we use here a cube plus b cube formula, which is this one, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So, in order to solving this problem, at first we write given that, which is x plus 1 by x equal to 4. Now, write left hand side. Left hand side is x cube plus 1 by x cube. No, so x whole cube plus 1 by x whole cube. So, notice this is a and this is b. So, a cube plus b cube formula. So, it is x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x into 1 by x and x plus 1 by x. Now, we put the value of x plus 1 by x. Okay. The value of x plus 1 by x is 4. So, 4 cube minus 3 into this x and this x are cut, because we know every number has a denominator which is 1. So, x and x cut, 1 and 1 cut. So, left 1. So, 3 1s are 3 and the value of this x plus 1 by x is 4. So, 4 4 jar 6, 4 4 jar 16, 16 4 jar 64 minus 3 4 jar 12. Now, we do subtraction. We subtract 2 from 4 and we get 2. We subtract 1 from 6, we get 5. So, 52. This is right hand side. So, here we write left hand side equal to right hand side. Proved. I hope you have understood, my dear student. This is question number 3. Question number 14 of your SW is similar as question number 13. Okay, now we solve question number 15. Before solving question number 15, at first we learn to formula, which is already discussed our previous class. Okay, this is a cube plus b cube and the formula is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is the factorized formula. On the other hand, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. My dear student, this formula is used to solve question number 15. Okay. If we can write a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, or a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, or a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So, can we write a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square equal to what? Okay, if a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, then we can easily write a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square equal to a cube plus b cube. Just like this one, 3 multiply 2 equal to 6. So, 6 equal to 3 multiply 2. I hope you have understood, my dear student. So, by using the knowledge of this formula, we shall solve question number 15. A, F and G. So, first of all, please notice 15a. This is a square plus b square into a to the power 4 minus a square b square plus b to the power 4. Okay, these are formula. Now please notice here a square means a, so a square plus b square means b, and a square whole square means this one minus ab plus b square means b square whole square. Okay, now notice this is a and this is b, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, that is we use here this formula, that means we write a cube plus b cube. So a means a square cube plus b square cube, so a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6. This is the answer of question number A. Similarly, we shall solve question number F. Okay. Question number F is, first of all we pick up this question, which is 2a minus 1, and here 4a square plus 2a plus 1 into 8a cube plus 1. Okay. So 2a minus 1, this 2a means a and 1 means b. So a minus b into a square. A means 2a whole square. Okay. 2a ab. A means 2a, b means 1. So 1 whole square, and this remains unchanged, 8a cube plus 1. So my dear student, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, that is a cube minus b cube formula is applicable. So 2a cube minus 1 cube, we do here second bracket plus, no need to do plus, we write 8a cube plus 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8a cube minus 1 and 8a cube plus 1. So a plus b into a minus b, this formula. Now we write 8a cube whole square minus 1a square. 8 8s are 64, a to the power 6 minus 1. This is the answer of question number F. Okay, next we shall solve question number G. And it is our last question. G number question is x plus a into x square minus ax plus a square, x minus a into x square plus x square. Okay. Now first of all we do this. So x plus a, second bracket x square minus x into a plus a square. We just want to make it a cube plus b cube formula. Similar way, x minus a into x square minus x into a plus a square. Okay, this is the formula of a cube plus b cube. Here a means x, so x cube plus a cube. Okay, similarly this is a cube minus b cube, b means a. Okay, so x cube plus a cube, on the other hand x cube minus a cube, a plus b into a minus b, that means this formula, a square minus b square. So x to the power 6, a to the power 6. My dear student, this is our today's discussion. Okay, question number 14, 15. From 15, sub number D and E will be your SW. My dear student, you must do your essay in SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly in our school campus every Saturday within 9 am to 3 pm. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.